Dear Diary, I know it's been a long time, but I haven't really wanted to say this out loud. He's dead. And I know I should be moving on with my life, but I can't. And I don't want to, because I can't handle him gone. I never really got a goodbye, so I'm just gonna say this like he's standing right here. Thank you. I just wanted to thank you for giving me everything I always wanted. A love that consumed me, and passion, adventure. There's nothing more I could ever want other than it to last forever. But I can't. And I need some hope, because I don't think I can live forever without it.